Hello students, in this video we will learn how to traverse the graphs. We know that graph is a set of vertices and a set of edges. We have to traverse the graph. Meaning of traversing is visiting every vertex exactly once. There are basically two methods in traversing a graph. One is called the depth first search. The other one is called the breadth first search, BFS. In this video, let us see how to perform the breadth first search. While traversing the graph, we can start the traversal from any of the nodes. Now let us start the traversal from the vertex 0. And when we are performing the breadth first search, we make use of a queue. Here we have a queue which we are going to use. Now we start from the vertex 0 and currently we have not visited any vertex. So none of the vertices are visited. Now let us start from 0. Now when we start from 0, we insert the 0 vertex in the queue. We insert it in the queue and mark that 0 as visited. Then from this we have to traverse all the vertices that are adjacent to 0. Now, to 0, we have two adjacent vertices, 1 and 2. In case of breadth first search, once we start the traversal from a particular vertex, we visit all the vertices that are adjacent to that particular vertex. Now, from 0, we have marked it as 0. We have inserted in the queue and output 0. We have visited the vertex 0. Then after this, see what do you have at the front of the queue. At the front of the queue, we have 0. Remove this from the queue. Then start searching for the adjacent vertices to 0. Adjacent to 0, we have 1 and 2. We can traverse in any of the order. Either we can go to 1 first or we can go to 2 first. But let us go in the numerical order. So we go to the vertex 1, insert it in the queue, mark this as visited and output this. Then check you have any other adjacent vertex to 0. 0 has another adjacent vertex, that is 2. Then mark this as visited, insert it in the queue, output this. Now, do we have any other adjacent vertex to 0? No. Since we don't have any vertex, then go to the queue and see what we have at the front of the queue. At the front of the queue, we have 1. Remove this from the vertex. Then, from the vertex 1, see what are the adjacent vertices. We have 0, 3 and 4. So, these 3 are adjacent to the vertex 1. Again, going the numerical order, we have to go to 0, but 0 is already visited. Then we have to check for 3 and 4. Now, we go to the vertex 3, mark this as visited, insert this in the queue, output this. Any other vertex? Yes. There is one more vertex that is adjacent to 1, that is 4. Mark this as visited, insert this in the queue, then output this. Now we have visited all the adjacent vertices of 1. Then we have to still continue. Then what should we do? We have to go to the queue and see what we have at the front of the queue. At the front of the queue, we have 2. Remove this from the queue. Now start searching for the vertices that are adjacent to 2. 2 has an adjacent vertex 0 that is already visited and it has 2 more vertices 5 and 6. In the numerical order, mark 5 as visited. Insert this in the queue and output this. Then there is one more adjacent vertex 6 that is marked this as visited. Insert this in the queue, output this. Now we have completely visited all the adjacent vertices of 2. Then we have to check in the queue what vertex we have. In the queue we have the vertex 3 at the front. Now remove this from the queue and check what are the adjacent vertices to 3. 3 has 2 adjacent vertices, 1 and 7. 1 is already visited, so go to 7. Mark this as visited, insert this in the queue, then output this. Now from 3 we have visited all the adjacent vertices. Then check at the front of the queue, we have 4. Remove this from the queue, and 4 has 2 adjacent vertices, 1 and 7, both are visited. Then at the front of the queue you have 5. 5 also has 2 adjacent vertices, 2 and 7, both are visited. Remove, then check in the queue, we have 6. Remove 6 from the queue. 6 has 2 and 7, which are visited. Then at the front of the queue, we have 7. Remove this from 7. 7 has 4 adjacent vertices, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All are visited. Now check the queue. Queue is empty. That means we have successfully visited all the vertices in the graph. So this is the output. This is the order of the output of the breadth first search for this particular graph.